nga magkabuo na po may o little angel no? Sa mga little family. But God answered our prayers that asan niya siya? Touches our hearts in a way na kaning nakastretch sa mo ang faith and kay kabaluta ang Ginoo motubag ang Ginoo motubag sa atong mga pag-ampo in different ways, 3 different ways, no? Yes, wait, and no. And sometimes, the most faith-stretching answer that we receive is wait. So, when our family asked the church to pray for us, for a blessing na sa mo as a couple, it lifted our hearts and it gives us hope. And yes, God answered, but not with a yes. Not with a yes, but it is with a loving, gentle wait. Okay, a wait that teaches us patience, a wait that strengthens our bond, and a wait that reminds us that God is working even when we can't see it. So, dili man siya, wala man niya dito pag diha-diha dayon among pag-ampo na tagaan ni nga mo positive to siya even though nga na-delay na siya, pero He reminds us na God works in ways na dili nato ma-anticipate, no? So we hold the promise in Psalm chapters 37 verse 7. It says, "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him." So, hopefully, we are hopeful and trusting God na maybe in later this year or in His time, He will give us this little blessing of our family. So, maura to siya, among po ang God. Thank you and God bless.